Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at the Apexel x36 Telephoto lens, which clicks straight onto your smartphone. So this lens is pretty amazing. It's got its own tripod in here as well, so your phone connects straight to the actual lens itself, and the lens then screws onto the tripod. But you can see it's like a small mini version, so we'll have a look at that. There's all the specifications there of the lens itself, so anyone who's interested in all the all the science behind it. You can see that's what it looks like when it's all set up, looking at a picture of a bird there, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so basically you can use this as a monocular as well, so it hasn't got to be used through your phone. You can take it out. It's got its own little portable carry case, like you can see there. It's ideal for sports. You can see here concerts, you've got wildlife. So generally it's like a really good all-round lens. So we shall unbox it and see what it's looking like. So we have the usual thing there. We have our little microfiber cloth, which is just there. That is the clip for fixing onto your phone, and then the lens then screws onto the back. So that's made of metal as well, which again, good thing about the Apexel range is that a lot of things are actually made in metal rather than plastic, so it's good for durability. It just feels better if things are made of metal than cheap plastic. So the actual lens itself, which is in this little spongy carry case, so just get that out of there. You've got a little clip there as well, so you can clip that onto any bag or whatever you've got, or your belt. And there you go. So on here again, it's a very fine thread, so you have to be careful, like screw that onto the clip nice and gentle. And then you've got this here, which is your actual lens, and you can see, if I can get the light just right, I mean, it is a decent quality piece of kit, and it's a decent size as well. So it's a telephoto lens, so it's got a full zoom range on it as well, so pretty excited to get this thing going. So let's just clip that back on there. What else do you get in here? So we've got the instructions over there. Let's see what we've got in here. So we have the fixing ring and the, I think that's like the eyepiece there. So that's all good. We have the actual tripod here. So the tripod is made out of plastic. It's a preset tripod, so you just literally, when it folds down and collapses down, it looks like that. Just it goes to certain stops. So once you fold it out, I mean, it just takes seconds, doesn't it, really? That's on there. And you can just see, you'd wind that. See that? It's just come out the top. You just wind that up there. That then connects, I assume, onto the fixing ring. And then you connect your lens onto the top of that. So that's awesome as well. Let me leave that there. There's something else in here. Oh, there we go. We've got a remote control. So this is compatible with the iPhone 11. It says on the website, I believe, which phones these are compatible with. Generally any smartphone with Bluetooth function, I'm assuming. So that's it. So that's basically everything there. So let's all out nice and neat, and then we shall get this going on and go out and see what we can shoot. So nice. Okay, so a family of geese, little goslings. It's about 15 meters away. Right, so I've set up that traffic cone there. That traffic cone is about 70 meters. Pretty clear. A little tree with the white tree protector behind it, that's twice the distance, 150 meters. That is pretty good. And this is using it on the tripod that was supplied with this lens at the moment, times 36. So you can see now, that is my camera looking through the telescope, and you can just see in the distance the traffic cone that I was using for the example. So you get an idea of how far away it is. It's insane. There you go, look. There's the traffic cone. And there's traffic cam looking through my phone. Yeah, very impressed.